Hi guys, it's me, Canada, from the Hot Toddy Nation here, and today we are doing a fan theory review, or really a fan theory discussion, about Steven Universe. The theory goes is that the character Pearl from the show, is actually defective. The reason for this is there is a line from the episode called The Return where Jasper talks says to Pearl that she is a lost and defective Pearl, which is kind of confusing because why is Pearl defective? And another one, the way he says Pearl makes it sound like there's more than one Pearl. But before we get into that part, let's discuss the lost and defective part. That could mean a couple of different things. One, either her physical appearance or her mental appearance. The other one could be her that she left the gym homeward. But I doubt that that's the reason why she's defective, because she left. Because in the war against the Diamond Authority, a lot of Crystal Gems went against the Diamond Authority, even Pearl. So I doubt that's the reason why, but that could be one reason. So yeah, the physical appearance could be the way she acts, but I highly doubt that, because I don't really want to get into her personality, but it's sort of, she's sort of very obsessed with, you know, uh, symmetry and everything. So yeah, and she's a very smart and intelligent character too, but I don't really want to get into that right now. But in Pearl's gym is not like most what we would normally see a Pearl. Pearls, we are usually associated with them being around because of pearl necklaces, diamonds, and earrings, and that's what we kind of see everyone wear and stuff. But the thing about that is pearls can be, well, all kinds of shapes, even oval, which is what Pearl's gem is shaped like. It's more of an oval shape. So I doubt that it's that, but it could be that, and it could be that she was also defective because she left the gym homeworld, but I don't know. And the one part of the theory goes also is that Pearl is actually a servant, which could also indicate the defective part as well, because in an episode of it called Rose's Saber, I don't know how to pronounce it. She talks to Pearl sort of like a hologram version of her, and in that episode, Rose says that she calls Pearl my Pearl, indicating that this Pearl belongs to her and no one else really. So like she is Pearl's sort of servant or something, which is strange. Which is strange because that would indicate that there is more than one Pearl in the series, which would also go with the line that Jasper gives about Pearl being a lost and defective Pearl. So yeah, also in the other theory, there's a character in there where called Peridot, and in the show, Peridot is sort of be almost like Pearl in the exact same way. They seem to have sort of the exact same personality. The only difference is Peridot is well, she's never been seen to use a weapon, unlike Pearl, who has a weapon. But it goes is that Peridot is sort of like Pearl 2.0, that the Diamond Authority had pearls used for a certain reason. As I said, it could have been servants, but after a while they got tired of using pearls and they decided to sort of upgrade them, and that's where Peridot comes in. And the only reason is that Peridot doesn't use a weapon is because no one taught her how to use a weapon. And Rose taught Pearl how to use a weapon. That could also indicate the defective part. Pearl acted different because Rose sort of taught her different things. She taught her not only how to use a weapon, but also she sort of helped Rose go against the Diamond Authority and not really be a servant, sort of be her own gem and not what she was programmed to do. Also, another line that would indicate her being a servant and being defective and going against what she was made to do was in a line called Sworn by the Sword. She's talking to Connie, but in that episode, she does refer to her a lot throughout the song. And in that, she says that you weren't made for fighting. You weren't made for fighting. So that could indicate Pearl wasn't originally made for fighting. She was meant to be a servant. So yeah, there's a lot of things that could indicate Pearl being defective. One being that, since she was a servant, she did things that were out of normal for servants, like summoning a weapon, going against being a fighter, and things like that. And also basically being sort of her own gym and doing what she wants to do and not what someone is told to do. So yeah, those are some reasons why she could be defective, but we really don't know a lot about Pearl and a lot about the gym Homo to make a clear decision about that. So that's pretty much all we've got is just what we're going on by the show and what what we could think about this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I didn't do a fan fiction review this week. I didn't really get one done to do a review. So I decided to do something a little bit different, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is my first fan theory ever. I know it's sort of, choppy and not that good, but, this is my first time, my first fan fiction wasn't all that great, but you guys enjoyed it, so I hope you guys enjoyed this too. I'm Canada, and goodbye for now.